Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this makeup look right here, and this is using all products that are under $5. So I will link all the products down below so you can check them out. I did love some products and just one product I didn't like. But if you guys want to know how to create this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please make sure you turn on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I upload. Now let's get started with the tutorial. I am doing a makeup tutorial using products that are under $5. First, I'm going to start off with the eyebrows. For the eyebrows, I'm going to use this new e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. This is like a brow wiz. It has a brush on one side and then the point on the other, and it's just a round point. I got this in the shade dark brown, just like the darkest brown that they have on the website. Ooh, I think I found a dupe for the brow wiz. Wow, this is amazing, and this is under $5. I will link everything down below with the price, okay? To carve out my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild concealer. This is in the shade Light Ivory. You kind of want to start in the front and then do the outside. And then you want to do the middle. I am going to use this concealer for the eyeshadow primer. For powder, I'm just gonna use this Wet n Wild pressed powder in Warm Light. Now that the eyebrows are done and my eyelids are set, we're gonna move on to the eyeshadow. For today's palette, I am very excited. I haven't opened it yet, but I've seen it around YouTube and it is so cute, and it's like a dupe for the Anastasia Modern Renaissance. This is what it looks like. This is the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade 758 Rose in the Air. We are going to start off with the transition shade on the bottom, the more warm shade. So this shade is your transition. That means it goes on the crease. These eyeshadows are blending like a dream. They don't have a lot of fallout. The next shade that I'm going to do is this orangey shade up here. Wow, look at that. Modern Renaissance what? Who is that? This is so nice. We're just gonna jump into the color on the bottom. This one right here. Now I'm gonna move on to the face real quick. So for the face, I have a new product. This is a new product from Wet n Wild. It is the Photo Focus Face Primer, the Dewy one. I can't wait to try this. I know they had other primers and I didn't really like them. But now that I read Dewy, I was like, I'm all for it. I need this in my life. My face is feeling dry even though I have breakouts. Ooh, so I was expecting it to be white, but it does have some color on it. For foundation, I have two options. This is the Wet n Wild CoverAll Cream Foundation. I've never tried this before. I got this in the shade Light, and I might mix it with this other one from Wet n Wild. This is the regular one, the Photo Focus. This is under $5 at Walmart, which is where I bought it. I'm gonna put on a little bit on some areas. And then a little bit of the other one. Yeah, definitely too dark. Good thing I had the other one. So I'm just gonna start blending, covering all these pimples. I did a review on this foundation, this one here, and I never liked it. But now I'm liking it because I think I got the right shade finally. This is in the shade Golden Beige. I am digging it. Now that that's blended, we're just gonna jump into the same concealer that we used earlier. The Photo Focus concealer, which is pretty dark, I think. We're just gonna work with it. Hopefully Wet n Wild expands their concealer shades. I'm gonna set it with this palette here. This is under $5. I'm going to use the lightest shade here to set my under eye. I know Amy Macedo always uses this here on YouTube and she loves it. So I'm just gonna set everything with it. Now we're gonna contour next, and I'm gonna use that same shade here. I don't think I have another bronzer that's under $5. For highlight, I'm gonna use this Essence Pure Nude highlighter. This is under $5 at Ulta. Oh, I thought it was gonna be more natural. It has like a little bit of a sheen to it. This is really nice. I'm gonna use this Essence blush. This is in Satin Coral. Whoa, these are very pigmented, as you can see. So I'm gonna jump into the powder brush, so to blend everything out. And now we're just gonna jump back into the eyes. This is from Essence. This is the Lash Princess Mascara. This is what it looks like. I love the packaging. It drew me into it, and this is what the brush looks like. I'm gonna jump into the eyeliner. I have two eyeliners here. This one's from e.l.f. It's like a marker eyeliner. This is what it looks like. And then I have another eyeliner from Wet n Wild. This is the regular one, the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. These are both under $5. I think one is broken. Yep, the Wet n Wild one is broken. Oops. Just gonna use the e.l.f. one, I guess. Now for the liquid lipstick, I'm going to use this MegaLast Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild. And this is in the shade Nudie Patootie. I love the eyeshadow palette. I loved the primer. And I also loved the eyebrow pencil from e.l.f. The new one that came out, which is this one here. Another product that stood out to me was the mascara. The one that I didn't really like, the foundation, was this one here. And maybe because of the color, it wasn't the right shade. This is one of the lightest shade, I think. And this is not light to me. So look at that. Is this light to you? No. So this was a no-go for me. No. And the rest of the products were good. These were my favorite though. These were my top 4. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to enter my giveaway. I will link it down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.